Hey guys, Chuck's here. Destroyed my last Kogan chainsaw, so I thought I'd get something different. I've got this, it's a giant 22-inch bar. I think it's 22 inch, I'll just double check. Yeah, 22-inch bar. This is on here, right there. Or in metric, 55 centimetres. Where's we from? From Australia, so we go in metric. But we like inches as well. Everyone likes inches. Yeah. Look at that. Brand new. Well, it looks brand new, but it's not. Look at this. That's a bit greasy there. I don't know whether I would have picked a white, not a white colour. I would probably have picked a different colour. It's got a pump there. The other one didn't have one. It's still got the aluminium bar that snapped on my last one. Look, it's a bit damaged. I would say it's not perfect, but it's good enough for me at $105. Comes with a set of headphones. I don't know why they'd send these headphones out. They're not very, they won't protect your ears very well. They're soft, but they're not right. Okay, comes with a set of gloves. Comes with a spare glove. I don't know why they threw that in, but I've got one. Comes with a pair of goggles. Always handy to have goggles. They seem like a decent pair. Comes with a small toolkit and a spare screw, which I think is fantastic. Comes with, well, it doesn't come with a spare screw. Actually, those two parts have to be fitted. I'm surprised that it wasn't fitted in the factory. Yeah. Get that out. What do we got? Okay, manual. Always handy. Always never read them. I should read them. But how many adult men don't read the manual? I'm putting my hand up on this one. I am shit at reading manuals. Okay, we've got 2 screws. Now, no Loctite. What do you do when you get screws that have no Loctite? You put Loctite on. So I'm going to have to get up and grab some Loctite. Loctite's expensive to buy. I can't remember. I think this was about 20 or 30 bucks. But thing is, it keeps parts together, and you want to keep parts together. Now, how do I put this onto here? It should just fit in there somewhere. I probably have to take the side off. Yeah, definitely get your money's worth out of me today. Anyway, I might go quiet and just try and speed this up a bit. Okay, you need to remove this spacer before fitting the guide bar, which is the guide bar. So get rid of that and add this. 22 inches. Yes. Last one was only 20. Not always about the size, it's about the skill of using it. Where's the chain? Oh! Comes with an oil bottle and a chain. I'm not 100% sure on this chain, but it looks alright. Guard against kickback. Be careful, these things do kick. Now, which way does it go? Does it go that way or the other way? Soon find out, double check. It goes the other way, but I'm not sure. We're going to go through the manual. Yeah, I opened the manual. What a miracle. Yep, goes that way. Or maybe you should put it on the other way first. So the front bit of this is the height measurement, and the second bit's the cutting on it. So we just try and get this right. Like that. Just double check. Looks good. Happy with that. Might have to play with the bit. It's very heavy, this bar. So not as heavy as some, but heavy enough. Alright, now we need the cover. Now these have an adjustment in them, right here. So you adjust the screw in and out to adjust the tension. Now you can put this up against something, lean it up against it to give it a bit of tension, which I'll do in a second, show you what to do. Normally I wouldn't use a cardboard box, but that's what I've got in front of me. So I would put the cardboard box on there to get the tension right, but I don't think that's going to work. Normally use a piece of wood or something, get that tension. Exactly right. So I think I'm going to have to adjust this out. Get my tension just right. The first thing I'm going to do is put the screws on, or the nuts, and then adjust the screw. Pop them in there again. Loving it. good. Not a big fan of this screwdriver, not very good. Too small for the job. This one's not. Which is fantastic. It's on the end of it. I didn't even notice it was there. You got two modes of operation on this. You've got your tightening for your nuts, and you've got a spark plug adapter, which I think is fantastic. Now right at the moment I haven't got my 2-stroke. I have to go and get it. I've over tightened that. It's way too tight. So I'm going to turn there. So I will need to loosen it off a bit. If you see what I've done, I've over tightened it, it won't move. So if you're a novice at this, I shouldn't be a novice at this because I've had a couple of chainsaws, but occasionally I do stupid things just to show other people what not to do. So, trying to get that to that's good. Happy with that. Let's get a bit of chainsaw oil on that. Should be good. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's good. That's happy. Tightened. Not too bad. That might be a little bit tight, but it should be good. Once we get a bit of oil on that, that'd be good. Now, what else have we got here that I need to identify? Okay, this side. Now, most of you guys have owned chainsaws. If you haven't, front hole is for your chainsaw oil. Make sure you get some decent chainsaw oil, fill her up. The back bit is for 2-stroke oil, not full petrol, but 2-stroke. Okay, so that's your 2-stroke oil there. Now, size of the motor on this thing. What have we got on this? Having a quick look at the specs. Down in the front of the book. The book's pretty well written and it's got troubleshooting through it. Tells you about sharpening things, talks about the spark plug, maintenance, how to maintain your chainsaw. Be happy with that. It even talks about sawing. Operation, warnings with the fuel and stuff. It doesn't talk about how big the whole thing is. It's anyway, it's there somewhere. Calls that totally a red colour, made in China. Model number C saw, very original, CSAW SEF 22 RDWH. So very happy with that. Ready to go. Just going to go and pick up my fuel because I lent my whippersnipper, which had the fuel with it, the other day. Now, one thing I've always remembered, keep that on when you're not using it. And only put it on when it's cooled down. Keep your toolkit together. You never know when you need to find it. Keep your gloves, especially the third. And your oil can together. And if you want to take it somewhere, keep the spacer if you want to. I'm going to throw the spacer out eventually because I don't see the point of holding on to it. Anyway, that's it for me for the moment. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like.